The Parliament of the World's Religions took place on the 11th of September 1893 in Chicago. Accompanied by Mr. and Mrs. Hale, Swami Vivekananda attended the event. On the platform sat speakers representing diverse religions globally. Wearing an orange robe, Swami Vivekananda felt apprehensive yet radiant. Stepping forward, he addressed the audience. Sisters and brothers of America. The impact was simply electrifying. The crowd rose. They cheered and applauded thunderously for a full 2 minutes. Discussing the unity among religions, his words resonated deeply. His universal message stirred all hearts, and overnight, he became a worldwide sensation. Following the Parliament of World's Religions, Swami Vivekananda traveled through America, delivering lectures and addressing inquiries about India's culture and wisdom. On one occasion, a clergyman extended an invitation to his home library, which contained an arrangement of religious books. Notably, the Bhagavad Gita was positioned at the stack's base, while the Bible stayed on top of the pile. The clergyman inquired, "Do you like the way I've arranged the books?" Swamiji's reply was instant. "Yes, I can see that you've put the Bhagavad Gita at the bottom, which means it is the foundation of all the religions of the world." The clergyman was visibly startled hearing this reply from Swami Vivekananda. Vivekananda once travelled to England, delivering lectures that garnered immense appreciation. An Irish teacher, Miss Margaret Noble, attended multiple talks, engaging him in rigorous questioning. His responses dispelled her doubts, leading her to becoming his dedicated disciple, Sister Nivedita. Inspired, she arrived in India, opening a girls' school in Calcutta, dedicating her life to education and service.